What are you, a fucking body shop expert all of a sudden? Shut the fuck up.
I'm a
Oh.
Yeah. Not the GTR! Look at this Russian ass.
I didn't have
BBS dildo.
Ron, kill him on camera, please. Yes. Fuck.
Fucking bitch. You see that shit? You see that? That's how you fucking. Oh, you see that? Oh, go get the camera out of my face, motherfucker. Are you focusing to fucking beat me? Big comeback, motherfucker? Oh, you son of a bitch. What the fuck?
Back at AR, guys. Guess fucking what? We're gonna install some fucking brakes.
Look at this Russian ass.
Fuck you.
That's right, folks. You heard it here first. We're gonna install the fucking brakes on the fucking car today.
How the fuck do you sound like that?
It's a different personality.
You sound like Krusty the Crown.
Your face is looking pretty good today, actually.
Hey man, thanks for the desserts. 2 of them, huh? There was like 8 of us.
I ate the rest. We just installed the Zeal coilovers today. The car came with these Nismo S1 coilovers, and they're cool, they're functional, they're nice. But this is made by Endless, which is the same brake company that I got. As you can see here, Endless. So I want it kind of period correct when it comes to that specific style. So we installed these for the Zeals. Boom. Thanks to Max and AR for doing that. And we're not going to slam it yet because tomorrow the guy's going to come so we can cut the fenders. We want to cut it as much as possible so that I could have some flush fitment for the wheels. Yeah, there's a lot of fucking play here. As you can see, we could slam the fuck out of this if we really want to.
Big boy.
That's the GT3 5R. So it's a V-band. This one is fucking twice as big as the one on the fucking Supra. So Ron's gonna fucking come inside of that. Anyway, look at this G80 on LMs. It's fucking cool, huh?
done right.
Done right.
Is it?
Plus.
It's 5 millimeters off.
Shut the fuck up.
2.564 foot.
You guys like the G80? Because a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. I like the front.
What you doing?
It's pretty sick. Huh?
What you doing?
Why don't I do one? I don't want to kill it. You know when I like to do something? Let me tell you.
Oh god, here we go.
This is how I decide I should do something. When I watch the whole world do it, and they don't do it right,
So you do it.
then I do it.
I haven't seen any. Have you done any Beamers?
Yeah, I had an X6M, the best,
Oh, yeah,
the
right,
world's
right,
best.
Right, I remember that one.
That was the best one in the world.
You never done like an M3?
I had an E46, but I didn't even really fuck with it too much back then. But the point is, if I see a platform and it's not done right, like basically Calvin's car, I could take that car and fucking do it right. I'm just kidding. He's got endless brakes and shit.
Endless,
You're
endless.
good. You're good, bro. You're good.
What about the Corolla S?
No. But my point is, if I see a car and it's not done right, then I'll be more motivated to do it right. So that's all. But yeah, I do like these G80s.
Yeah, I'm a
Oh.
I do like the G80s, the front, but the rear is disgusting. I think it looks like a fucking Camry, like low key. Like it looks, I really hate the rear.
You know what? The front is more disgusting than the rear, no?
No, I think the front's fucking awesome.
Really?
Yeah, personally. The rear is just disgusting, in my opinion. Obviously today we're waiting for the guy to come cut the fenders. So let's just see how thick these motherfuckers are. They're pretty thick. So my goal is to cut it as much as possible without affecting the structural integrity of it so that I can slam the fuck out of it. So that's the goal. We're gonna cut that shit. This is pretty thick too. So So this is the before shots. So yeah, that's the plan. And then once that's done, we'll put the Nismo wheels back on it, slam it. To be honest, we can even change the mirrors too. Put the Mines mirrors on there. I've been looking a lot at my old GTR and seeing I had the carbon uprights that are maybe like 30 millimeters taller than this, and I kind of like the way it looks, but then again, it was on the ground on the street, so I don't want to make any judgment on how this looks until it's fully done on the street, slammed. That way I can see how much more I like it or not. But worst case scenario, the only thing I'll change out that's green is probably get rid of this and get the uprights that are just carbon, maybe paint match those. But I do like the green accents. I don't know if it's too much green yet, I don't know. Because the green stuff is gonna be a factor. There's gonna be green here. The rear diffuser fins, I'm gonna make those green. There's a B pillar here, I'm gonna go green. Obviously the mirrors are green, the front lip's gonna be green. So there's gonna be a lot of green, and this paint has a lot of green in it. In fact, you can see the green right now. So it does go with it in certain angles. And I think it's different. It's really hard to be different on a car that's been out for so long, but different in a good way. So I'm gonna try. But again, we'll see. You guys can follow the journey along with me. I was gonna swap the motor first and then do all the fab work, okay? But because I'd rather do the fab work now, before I swap the motor, I'm just gonna do it now. So I'm gonna put the single turbo, I'll do the downpipe, the new intercooler piping, titanium, everything. That way I can have all the fab work done and the new exhaust. And then when it comes time to swap the motor, I could just swap those parts over. So that's gonna be the plan. My goal to finish this car without the motor swap is gonna be for WeekFest LA, which is October 24th. And as far as the Supra goes, I plan on debuting that, I would say, at Supras in Vegas. If you guys want to see one or the other, make sure you're either at WeekFest in LA or make sure you're at Supras in Vegas. But anyway, that's it for today. So I'll check you guys back when the fenders are cut.
The next day.
Getting the R34 panels done with the best all-out dent, Shane. All right, time to see the master at his work. You did?
Oh.
What'd you drink?
Water. Hydration is key, children.
You don't drink vodka, do you?
Huh?
You don't drink vodka?
I would.
You have to, with the family.
Yeah, I mean, obviously I drink vodka. That's my go-to drink, but...
Tequila's a good one.
Yeah, bro. They just don't mix very well.
No, they don't. But tequila's an upper at least. Anyway, this is the fucking cut job.
Oh, you're videoing.
A little trimming.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I can fucking cut that shit out.
It's actually very clean.
If you can graze your finger through it, you're fine. If it's jagged, then you're fucked.
What are you, a fucking body shop expert all of a sudden? Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up, you skunk. I'll kill you.
No, it does feel smooth, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. To be honest, it's better than the time I got mine done the first time. By that guy in that garage I told you about?
This one was you paid him, right? For, no, 240.
350.
Oh, 250.
This is BBS, whatever this is though. I think you guys have to put this in there, because why would this be there?
Oh, this is ours. Yeah. What do you think this could possibly
Just overnighted.
be? What do you think this possibly could be in this bag?
You see the bag?
What do you think it is? I'll give you $50 if you figure it out.
Make it 100, just a nice.
Actually, 150. I'm feeling very fucking generous right now. If you know what this is, you have 2 tries. Think fast. 30 seconds.
2 tries, but 1 minute max.
Just it's for waffles and shit, no?
Damn, he won the $150. No, it's a BBS dildo. No, you got it. I owe you 150. All right.
Well, spend it wisely, bro. There you go.
See. And then you can also do some of this shit. So
Yeah.
it's pretty nice.
And you guys custom made this as a replica from China, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's sick.
You got the BBS and printing and everything. You know, it's nice.
That's exact.
You know.
If he doesn't spend 3 hours making himself look like a fucking the normal human being, he looks like a complete. And that's a compliment, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
You have a lighter?
Oh, now he relies on me, huh? No, I don't actually. I left it at home. I didn't have cigarettes because you smoked though. I've actually never smoked weed in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you sound like you have?
No.
Though. Oh.
No.
I mean, look at him, dude. He's a fucking twink.
You wanna get this on the? I'm
Yeah,
check
yeah.
this out.
better not,
What?
Get him.
Damn, you a pussy.
Oh, that's it.
Hold on.
What?
Guys, I didn't. Yes! Fuck!
I would lay
each other,
this guy
fuck each
out.
other,
Look
please,
at
please.
the size of him, bro. He's like a. Better watch this shit. What the?
Come on, fucking.
Oh boy.
Come on, Vladimir. Fuck it. Oh! Get him! Fucking kill him, Ron! Kill him on camera, please!
Get your fucking twink ass over here, little fucker.
Throw a fucking lip at him! Not the GTR!
Don't
By the hat.
Oh! Not the GTR! Not the GTR, please! This is not a fucking.
Is that yours or mine?
Throw it at the 911! Throw it at the 911!
Hey, dude, I'm fucking good at dark.
Not the GTR, bro!
Let me find a better weapon.
No, this mother. That's it. That's enough. This motherfucker threw an axe.
Oh, no. He's gonna mock me.
No, don't do
He's
that.
thrown an axe before. He's thrown an axe. I saw him. And then, can you work on this shit for 20 minutes then?
No.
Fuck.
I'm a girl. We don't do that stuff.
This is basically someone who has a small dick, and then this is someone who has a little bit bigger than that one. And it's primarily used to get fucked.
And you're the one on the left.
I'm the one on the left. But my balls, though. Endless.
It's weight reduction right there. We don't need them.
Yeah. Carbon.
Carbon?
No, anytime you say weight reduction, the word carbon has to come after it. You want a fucking oil change again?
Are you trying to get straight pipe?
You want to get straight pipe? Oh, this guy wants the whole 9. These are what the brakes look like. Super JDM, bro.
Yeah, you know.
But these brakes are fucking the shit. There's the regular endless ones, and then there's the monoblocks. These are the monoblocks. They're the shit.
These are LMs. And these are going on the car. And
We're test fitting with the brakes to make sure there's clearance. Right, Ron?
yep.
Okay.
The clearance is a lot better than your Lambo. We have basically about like 3 to 4
Turn on the
millimeters.
light for all the.
We have about a decent size. You know, in his Lambo, we had about literally $100 could fit through the spoke. This one, we could probably put a stack, little 10 grand stack
Yeah,
here, you know?
10 grand.
But it's gonna look
looks
good. 17-inch center, which is essentially off an 18-inch two-piece LM. We're gonna step it up to a 19, and we're gonna have about 3-inch lip up front and a 4-inch in the back. Yeah, it's going pretty good.
You don't know the lips yet?
I just told you, 3-inch up front.
Yeah, but he measured
4
the
inch in the
lips. How
back.
do you know the lips?
Yeah, because I measured the last GTR. Yeah, it's the same thing, same Z tuning.
They're basically gonna look right.
All the other GTRs are using like stock fitment. It's true.
It is true.
This is the right way to do
It's true. No one's sitting right. No one's sitting right. Trust me.
Everybody's like on the 18 step to 19. The
Yeah.
17 double step has like a really good
Oh yeah, and
Good
slammed
line
as
to it.
fuck too.
slam. Yeah, look at all this room you got. You could
Yeah.
literally be dumped. you know?
Perfect.
Did that actually happen?
Well, he was 2.4 earthquake away from deep throating my fucking cock one time.
Yeah, you were on a fucking boat wave from sucking my dick.
All right, guys, for those of you who said the green carbon doesn't really go, I'm gonna show you the angle in which how I see the car, mainly. So you see all that green, bro? You see how the car is like basically green in this angle? So the green carbon does go, you guys, because the fucking car is green some angles. It's sick. And of course right here, Got the endless brakes. It looks super sick, you guys. The only thing I was thinking about painting the brakes green, but these are the monoblocks, and for those people that know like the endless brakes, if they see that color and that finish and the way that the endless, the font is, they'll know that it's the monoblocks, which is like the baller shit. So I might just leave it. The only thing I'll do is I'll probably paint the hat. I could paint it black, or I can paint match it, so that might work. But other than that, yeah, fucking car looks sick green like this. So I just wanted to show you guys that it matches. Anyways, boom, and there's the purple. Crazy. And there's the green. This is the sickest color. But yeah, we didn't get to install the mirrors because we got to do some wiring shit, but we will install them on Tuesday. That's it for this episode, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.